You look very nice today, you know. Look, you know, like your skin color and your hair look good and everything. Can I get a number?
No, thank you.
Why?
Why you want to know?
Because you look good.
So what that have to do with anything?
I like older women, you see me?
Really?
Yeah, and you know, you look like a shape
You know,
good
you
and
could
you.
have been a son.
I could have been a son.
Yeah?
Yeah, but like, you know,
No.
you don't want a strong young boy. Miss, come on, Miss Wayne.
I said no, thank you.
You have a boyfriend?
Why?
Because, you know, I like it that way there. You look, I like it that way there.
Target on candidate in. Alright, hello friendly neighborhood Spider-Mans. Today we're gonna look big woman. Notice the title, we're gonna look big woman. We're not gonna look not little girl. Okay? So this is how to get ladies. These are the intro. When I do it yet, when I know it gonna turn out. Yeah.
Man, just give it a
No. Take it away.
Right now we're in the middle of G. The middle. Yeah. So, we're gonna show the ladies how much we love them. Like, subscribe and check into the new video. Damn! Come on! Hey, hold it. Now video now. Alright, come.
Dodo scope when them knock it and them knock it ever have it on the rapid. If you flip up like a ratchet dog, them ready for attack it. Chop you up and left your body drunk and them up like a sashi. See a mass, them a platty. See a Chinese they kidnap it, evil us. If you walking better keep watch your pocket. If you thugs you better have it, them a creep up bust a fucking cranium. Clap it, left your family, lift them up, lift a stone to why them have it like a nuclear. Them a drop it, evil us. Pastor them a preach and no side them a have it. Get a use a hustle up the money and a try to leave it up. Grew up in a Jamaica full of massive. Broad day I walk with them at it, the thugs them ain't giving up. Grow black them a clap it in the traffic. Dog them not play with the target man, them savage evil us. Broad day bare face them a kidnap it. Broad day I chat with the package Dodo scope. When them knock it and them knock it ever have it on the rapid. If you flip up like a ratchet or them ready for attack it. Chop it up and left your body drunk and them up like a sashi. See a mass, them a platty. See a Chinese they kidnap it, evil us. If you walking better keep watch your pocket. If you thugs you better have it, them a creep up bust a fucking cranium. Clap it, left your family for map it. Dogs and more gal and more scammers them be not better watch your mouth. Take a gal out them fuck a road. Yeah me yo me Mexico, I'm come from Mexico. Plus me full of hoes, my dick will never go through a drought. Yeah, start to learn how you take some boy try fight me out. Yeah, walk past the pussy them while let me run them out. Yeah, gal I travel straight from the coast for check me out. Thing I grow them call my penis happy knock you out. Touch the coast bill of energy then bill of force. Touch the road commit a felony then left his zone. Set you want have it but cash it handle the snow. Yeah, have it cold the gal in my scream and need a cone. Yeah, now talk JDF when me say the force. Ever keep the gun.
Hi miss, what's up? You look very nice today, you know. Look, you know, like your skin color and your hair look good and everything. Can I get a number?
No, thank you.
Why?
Why you want to know?
Because you look good.
So what that have to do with anything?
I like older women, you see me?
Really?
Yeah, and you know, you look like a shape
You know,
good
you
and
could
you.
have been a son.
I could have been a son.
Yeah?
Yeah, but like, you know,
No.
you don't want a strong young boy. Miss, come on, Miss Wayne.
I said no, thank you.
You have a boyfriend?
Why?
Because, you know, I like it that way there. You look, I like it that way there. Can you give me a number?
Something I do.
Give me a number, man. Nobody
Go
knows.
and find something to do.
Come here, my homework. You can't my homework. What's you doing right here?
Pressure, sugar, cholesterol, HIV. It's a cause.
You know, say, miss, can I be really honest with you? Can I be really honest with you? The truth is, the reason why I sit here, miss, is because you look really nice. I mean, I want them to get a number. No? I'm 21, you know.
Yeah, my son.
What? Miss? What's your name?
Use my son. My daughter is 35.
35.
More than 35. She's 40 now.
So you never want a young boy like strong back, slim and muscles.
You're my son.
Slim and muscles, no?
Yeah?
Slim and muscles.
Kill your muscle.
Okay? Come on.
You know me, I tell you, she look nice today.
I look
Yeah.
at somebody and
I want her. No, I want her number. She look good.
No.
You can't give me a number.
Young boy.
I don't
Give me a number
know
now.
feel or something.
Can't give me a number. You look good.
No.
Me at 21.
His son older than you.
Your son can't hold
Your
on.
son older than you.
So you wouldn't with a 21-year-old.
No. Do a reason.
Alright, baby. I love you. Have same way, yeah? Excuse me, miss. Hi, sir. This is miss. Really and truly, you look nice, and me the one them can get a number. You look really nice, and I like how you carry yourself.
I'm talking to my husband.
Is your wife, sir?
Yes.
She's a splendid lady.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Your wife. I win, you win enough.
Pick you up yet?
Eh? No, I win, you win, cause she look good. And I want her, you know. You see, I like all the women. I big me, I big you up.
No.
Excuse me, ladies. I stayed from over there as one I could ask you ladies a question. You know, mainly you still. You know. So, like, my name is Kimani. I'm gonna stay from over there and say you look nice. Me, I want them could I get a number. You know, yeah, man. Eh? No, come like her. You know, me don't want me and her have a little relationship like. No? Me at 21, you know. Isn't me turn 21 July, isn't me?
I'm 44. I don't want a young boy. You can take care of her.
Of course, I YouTube me there, you know. Send me a paycheck every month. Miss, keep my muscles. I'm strong, you know, miss.
Yeah, I know, but wait till my daughter come and get the daughter.
No, I don't want your daughter. Why you going so?
You don't want no daughter.
You can't give me a number. May I beg you? Me go on my knees.
No, baby.
Give me a number.
No.
Give me a number. I like you. Give me a
No,
number.
actually.
I'm a strong boy.
You're the 21-year-old.
No, actually, you see the young girl them have no experience. I don't want nothing to do with them. I'm tired of them. I want somebody who know do the works and you know can do the and do the thing.
I'm a married woman.
You're a married man? You don't want a side man? No?
I don't keep side man.
Him not gonna know.
I don't keep side man. I'm a Christian and I'm living a Christian life.
Alright, so you can give me Instagram then. I want to follow you and like a picture of them.
I don't do those things either.
How me can get in touch with you?
With me?
Yeah.
You can't get in touch with me.
Well, may I have like a relationship?
No, we don't want to have no relationship because I have my husband.
I just want to ask you a question. Yeah? I don't want to sound disrespectful or nothing, but you look really nice. I want them could get a number.
Why?
I don't know if you're into young guys. I'm 21, you see me?
I don't want a man.
No? Yeah, man. I mean, I'm not free, no, still.
What do you say?
Oh, yeah, I'm also. You look nice still. What's your name?
Sharon.
Sharon, my name is Kimani. Nice to meet you. I just turned 21, is it?
Yeah, 56.
You're 56?
And my husband is jealous.
But him not gonna know.
You know, we don't.
You know, and I like all the women, their experience.
Yeah, I don't do those things. I'm not in that form of taking a young man in my life. I have my husband already, and I'm satisfied with it.
Please? But you look thick and them thing. You look sexy. It's a little joke. Sorry about that. We actually do a YouTube video, you know? Yeah.
Video?
Yeah, it's like a social experiment just to make people laugh and then something. Yeah. So you're a good one. Alright, have a nice day. Excuse me, miss. Hi. My name is Kimani. Is it me? I'm seeing me. I want them could ask you like a question. I don't know if you're busy or you want to go or anything like that. You know? Hey girl. No, sir, really and truly, Mr. Professor, I look her still because she look nice. I want them could get a number like. You know? I'm 21, you see me? My name is Kimani. Are you a girl? I don't believe you in it, dog. So miss, me can't get like a number. But miss, feel my muscles. I'm strong enough, like. Want to feel my back? Miss, me go for my knees right now. I really want a number. You can't give me a number.
No.
Miss, I like you like that. I like you like that. Can you please give me your number? You don't want a young boy, miss? Yeah, but your husband is probably 3 times my age. Me at 21, miss. Me have the young buck. You see me? I can't manage. I can't lift up on them thing there. I really want a number. Can I please? And your skin looks soft and smooth and I just want to caress you and... Miss, where you go? Where you go, miss? Miss? Slim eyes. Give me a number.
Give me your number.
Me at 21, I turned 21 July, I want your number. Big
Give me
man.
your number.
And a joke thing and a prank or nothing like that. You see it from way over there.
I go monitor it. Give me your number and I monitor this phone.
I'm on my knees right now. I don't even care. My number, I like you. You know, your ear look nice and, you know.
Yeah, man, make we test it out.
Look nice.
Test it out.
So tell her, give me a number and come.
Me, I go monitor it, but we are going to test it out.
Are you take mine?
Me say you're going to leave your number, you're
Give
going
me
to get
yours.
your...
Alright.
And we're going
Yeah.
to test you out and see how...
Make sure you message me now. I want me to do like a thing there, you know. We want to have a little relationship like, you see me?
But remember money, I think you're hitting now.
Watch out now, that's cool now.
Oh,
That's
only
cool
for
now.
young pitty boy.
Come, give me.
Take the big
Alright,
and
so
things
4,
there, I'm at
5, 9, 5, 9, 1, 7. Yeah. Kimani, my name, you know. I love you off, you know. I love you off. Big man thing, I can't get a hug. Can't beg you a hug, just one hug. It's alone,
Right
man.
out your name, Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Tell you.
Babe said it's so real.
Me, nothing gonna get up. Just give me, can I get a hug? I come for a hug.
Funny me.
Jesus Christ.
Alright. Now you link now, yeah? I'm a baby this, you know.
Where you living? Where you living?
I live a young girl age up, man. So you really can't give me a number? I go up on my knee, you know.
I got to pray.
Huh?
I'm going to pray now.
I don't pray. Alright, miss, big up yourself. To get your number like. No? I'm 21, you know.
It could be my son.
I mean, look, feel my muscles, look. I'm strong, you know. So you can't give me a number?
I want young girls to go on.
I don't want a young girl. The young girl don't know for the raid them. Come on, I got on my knees right now. Give me a number now. Please, you look nice and you smell good. How are you weird?
Be yourself.
You smell good. Yeah, please. No, I'm crying.
I'm gonna be black as she see a mass. Them a plot, see a Chinese they kidnap it evil us. If you walking better keep watch out your pocket. If you talk they better have it. Them a creep up bust a fucking cranium. Clap it, left your family for map it. Dogs them up, gyal them up, scammers them be not. Better watch your mouth, take your gyal out, them fuck a road. Yeah, me on me Mexico, I'm come from Mexico. Plus me full of hoes, my dick will never go through a drought. Yeah, start to learn how you take some boy, try fight me out. Yeah, walk past the pussy them while let me run them out. Yeah, gyal I travel straight from the coast for check me out. Thing I grow them call my penis happy Pinocchio. Touch the coast, build a energy, then build a force. Touch the road, commit a fellow, need a left his zone. Set you want have it, but cash it handle the stone. Yeah, have it cold, the gyal them I scream, I need a cone. Yeah, now talk JDF when me say the force. Ever keep the gun them clean, they keep them load. Face to face, real bad man, no do the phone. Yeah, face them know. Don't just scope when them knock it and them knock it ever have it on the rapid. If you flip up like a ratchet, that them ready for you attack it. Chop you up and if your body drunk and them make like a sashi. See a massa, them a plotty, see a Chinese, they kidnap it. Even us, if you walking better keep a try.
No? I hear no mama running. Oh, what that man? Jesus. Bro, what the fuck, man? Yo, what did the man, the bus crashing at the man, dog. And the people in the car. Take for yourself.
Well, we weren't in the car or the bus.
We just did a prank.
Yes. Most safest thing.
Miss, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
I just turned 21, you see me? And I stay from my brother, so I say I one day I could get a number because they look nice.
Hold on. Wait, say young man.
I want them could I get a number because you look nice.
What you want? The number, young man?
What do you mean? People don't like when men like you, they don't look at them something.
Yeah, me know, but like seriously, look how far you come from.
Yeah, but that's what I say. Come on, give me a number. You look nice.
What you want the number for them?
You look nice. I just turned 21, you know.
So, continue your journey.
What do you mean?
21.
Stop playing, man. I go on my knees right now.
No, don't do that, young man.
I want your
Get up
number. You look
Get
good.
up off of the
I
ground.
want your number. You
Get
look
up
good.
off of the ground. Me know say me look good. Get up off
Say,
of the
yeah,
ground.
give me a number. Yeah, give me a number. Yeah, give me a number. Alright, may I start making a scene? May I start
On
making
the
a scene?
phone, I can't have a conversation.
You forward, may I have a reason?
Alright. Where you at? Hello?
Driver wait for me and them something there, you know.
Seriously, what do you want my number to do?
What do you mean?
Where you driver there?
Me tell him for like, sir, really and truly we come out to go buy some backwoods and them something there and him drive down there, so. No, it's a friend, don't worry about it, it's a friend.
So,
Then
what
he
you
gone.
doing now?
No, I'm gone, I went to go buy the stuff but him there right at the taxi stand on the side for me. You look behind the silver car, you see. Yeah, so. Yeah, some can't get the number now.
Who that have video?
Somebody's there videoing. I don't think so.
Yes.
I get Miss, I don't know if I could ask you a question maybe. My name is Kimani, you know, and I saw you, I was wondering like, you look nice, I wonder if I get a number, you know? No? Like, me can be like, you know,
You could be my son.
I could be a son. Yeah, but I don't, you see the young girl, them, I don't really, them not up to my standards. So,
Could be a
Miss, please, I can't tell your grandmother to give me a number. I laugh at pop up, brother, I swear. Sorry, miss, could I ask you a question maybe? Alright, so, you know, I see you, you look nice. I wonder if like, could I get your number? You know, I just turned 21, you see me? So I can't get your number? When, like which day? Can I get the IG then? Can I get your Facebook? Can I get the Twitter? Email? Miss? I got on my knees, you know, like you look really nice. And I wonder if you like marry me and them something.
Sir.
Miss, could I marry you?
Excuse me?
Can you marry me?
The lady say can't see her business.
You gotta give me a number, yes or
No.
Me nah
I
get
don't
up there.
know you, excuse me.
My name is Kimani, we can't get to know each other. You can't get the number.
I am looking at.
What are you looking for? I'll help you. What are you looking for?
Let me come for me, please.
Wait, no, wait.
Yeah, your pants them have a good day.
That was a fail. Come buy some shirts.
Be clothes. Come buy some clothes and shoes and
There?
crocs and. I'm going to free promotion. Right at 7 o'clock tower. You see it done now.
Excuse me, officer. I don't know if I could maybe ask you a question because you're on your job and everything, but
Come on, you can ask me any question you want to ask.
alright, so I was over there, so and you know I saw you. I wondered if I'll get your number because you look really nice, you know. But just turned 21 still.
That's the question you want to ask me. That's not a question.
It is. Can I have your number? Or your email, or your Facebook, or your Instagram, anything. That's over 21. But you look nice. Oh my God, you have a gun. But differently still. On there, you know. Not even, you're not even giving me a chance. Keep my muscle.
Your chance to what?
Keep my muscle.
And you think that these are things that impress women? Is that it? Is that what you're thinking?
I don't know. I know say I'm young and I know that the old guys like they don't have like the strong back that we have, isn't it?
Really? I don't know about that. Some of them back strong and some of them back strong and
No, you have. It's like a taste and buy something.
What kind of job you have?
Me?
Yeah.
I work on YouTube.
You work on YouTube. So that's not really like a job, right?
I get a paycheck every month.
And you live with your parents, don't you?
I don't.
So why would you want somebody that's much older than you?
Because it's like experience and the younger them can't really like do more on them to do.
Like what's that?
I don't want to get in details right now, but we can't talk. Yes, sir. Okay, what's your name? Can I say your name?
My name is Michelle.
I'm Kimani. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Kimani.
So we can get a number. You depend on your job. I don't want to waste the time.
I don't want to give you my number.
You're not even going like try maybe? No.
Try.
When you try me,
You're joking yourself, right?
I'm not trying to be disrespectful in no way, shape or form. But me genuinely, I mean, you go for my knee and ask it, not like.
You don't even know what life is. You don't even know what life is.
Man, your skin looks smooth. What you use on lotion your skin? You smell good.
You don't have anything to do?
I mean, right now I'm asking you for your number.
No, I don't have a number.
Give me an email.
I don't have an email.
Give me a. You use the smoke thing then? What you use?
Go and try something.
So you don't think I'm attractive?
Where you live?
I live on Constant Spring, but may I walk by.
Man, why are you doing that?
Come on, your number. Right there, sir. Alright, take mine. May I give you mine?
No,
Come.
don't do that.
I can't give you my number.
I don't want your number either.
You don't like me?
No.
Not attracted to me?
No.
Not even small, not even a little bit.
I don't do young guys.
Why? I'm strong, like.
Because you don't have any sense of direction. You are not responsible.
You don't want me for a relationship. You want me for one reason.
What reason is that?
I can't say it right here.
No, tell me.
I can't say it right here because like people are listening to you.
No, I don't have to. I don't need it.
You probably have on a police mic or I don't know.
I need you for no reason at all.
You might
Yeah.
on the side, man.
No.
Can you hug then? I'm gonna leave you alone. Can you shake hand? Can you boom piece?
Done that already.
No, alright.
Have a good day.
Alright.
Alright.
Now see you again, Now come ask again, you see? Bye.
Brady a chat with the package, the scope. When them knock it and them knock it ever have it on the rapid. If you flip up like a ratchet, them ready for attack it. Chop it up and left your body drunk and them up like a sashi. See a mass, them a plot it. See a Chinese, they kidnap it, evilous. If you walking better, keep watch out your pocket. If you talk, they better have it. Them a creep up, bust the fucking cranium. Clap it, left your family for map it. Dogs them up, gyal them out, scammers them be not. Better watch your mouth, take your gyal out, them fuck around. Yeah, me on me Mexico, I'm come from Mexico. Plus me full of hoes, my dick will never go through a drought. Yeah, start to learn how you take some boy, try fight me out. Yeah, walk past the pussy them while let me run them out. Yeah, gyal I travel straight from the coast for check me out. Thing I grow them call my penis happy, knock you out. Touch your coast, build a energy, then build a force. Touch your road, commit a felony, then left his zone. Set you want have it, but cash it handle the snow. Yeah, have it cold, the gyal them I scream, I need a cone. Yeah, now talk JDF when me say the force. Ever keep the gun them clean, they keep them load. Face to face, real bad man, no do the phone. Yeah, face them in know. Don't just scope when them knock it and them knock it. Ever have it on the rapid, if you flip up like a ratchet, that them ready for attack it. Chop you up and left your body drunk and them up like a sashi. See a massa, them a plot it, see a Chinese, they kidnap it. Even us, if you walking better, keep a try your pocket. If you thugs, you better have it, them a creep up, bust a fucking cranium. Clap it, left your family for map it. Lift a stone to them have it like a nuclear, them a drop it. Evil us.